It is very common to work with multiple applications all at once. So in order to demonstrate how to work with multiple applications, that is how to multitask, I'm going to go over onto the start menu and search for one of the applications that I use a lot, that is Microsoft Word. So that is opened up. So I'm going to type in another application as well. I'm going to open up Notepad, as you can see right here as well. And the other application that I'm going to open up is PowerPoint over here. So another one as well. So let's say I'm going to say WordPad right over here. So once you have 4 applications, you can see that they are all aligned up. All of them are open right over here. And also my recorder apps are opened in the background. So over here, you cannot see any applications. So in order to switch between applications, you can actually go over here at the bottom and click on PowerPoint. That brings up PowerPoint. You click on Notepad, that brings up Notepad. You click on Word, that brings up Word. Over here, if you were to click on the WordPad right over here, nothing actually seems available. So you can actually click and drag this out so that you can see the other apps right here. Whichever application is in the top is the one which is currently active. So if you were to click here, PowerPoint is active. If you were to click here, Word is active. If you were to click here, Notepad is active. And you can see that the title bar at the top reacts accordingly, just like that. So it turns blue right here, but once you actually move it aside, you can see that it is grayish right here. But once you click here, it turns blue, which meaning it is active. Another thing that you can do is snap it to the left. So I can snap everything. Let's say I want to work around with multiple apps. So I can click and drag the WordPad right over here on the left side, and it snaps just like that. And all of the other applications are shown over here. So you can click on any one of them and they'll arrange it out accordingly. You can also drag it to the top and they will snap at the top just like that. So you can click on any of the applications and drag it to the right and it'll snap over there just like this. So you can work around with multiple applications. So you snap it onto the right just like this. You snap it onto the right and you can also drag it out just like that to arrange it out, everything. So if you want to switch between applications, there's some shortcut keys as well. So you can press Alt-Tab and it'll bring up different applications that you can go forward with. So you can go over here, press Alt-Tab, 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 and you can choose the application that you want to work with. So let's say in my case, I want to open up Word. So I'm going to leave it there and the Word actually pops up. Press Alt-Tab again and there are other applications that you can work with. So I'm going to go to PowerPoint and that comes up in the front. I can also press Win-Tab, Windows key and tab, and that brings up everything as you can see, and you can click on any one of the applications and that will be popped up. So Win tab right over here and then click on Word and that pops up. So that is how you can work around with multiple applications inside of Microsoft Windows 10. And in the next lesson, we're going to see on how to set up multiple desktop to make multitasking even more easier. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.